So today's Friday, March 20th, and still no toilet paper to be found. So I went to Sam's today in the middle of the day, like around noon, and I was like, maybe they got a shipment of toilet paper. And freaking parking lot was packed. I was just like, seriously? I'm certain there's no toilet paper here. So I'm a Sam's Plus member, so I should be able to get free shipping. Except for the app says there's no toilet paper available online, and check the stores. I'm sure the stores are getting tired of it. Matter of fact, go into Sam's and before they used to offer you a little wipe to wipe your cart down. Nothing now. They're all used up. People are yanking them wipes probably five at a time. So through the Sam's app, it shows not in stock, out of stock, and it has a little button. It says substitutions. So I click on a substitution for toilet paper. It brings up paper plates. Really? Who's gonna wipe their ass with paper plates? I guess you got to do what you got to do. But you know what's funny is I'm not getting as many emails from Office Depot about reams of paper. They're probably all bought up and used as toilet paper. So also on my list is antibacterial soap. You know, a little hand soap comes like in a 5 pack. It says it's out of stock. So I click on substitutions and it want to list canned salmon. I'll wash my hands with canned salmon. At least I didn't have to wait a mile long in a line to go into Sam's like they do at Costco in California. Superheroes don't eat or shit or sleep. They just do cool shit like jump off buildings and lift up cars and race trains and shit. That was pretty random, I know. So the other night, I'm like, well, the gyms are closed, so I'll just go for a run finally. So that was Wednesday night. Last night, I'm watching TV with my wife, and I had a cough. I'm like freaking out. I'm like, I hope I don't have coronavirus. The cough was a little rough. So I'm like, okay, since we're done watching TV, I'm going to go to Walmart and get some orange juice and stuff. I get to Walmart. It was 10:40, closed. I'm like, well, I better go to the Super Walmart. Race down the street, get Super Walmart at 10:54. Policeman's outside saying they closed at 8:30. I thought they closed at 11. Now they close at 8:30? Strange. But what's even more strange is this whole coronavirus and the way things are changing. Some businesses are going to change their business. I bet you Walmart's not going to stay open 24 hours like they have been in the past few years. They're going to say, you know what? We'd rather have the concentration of business between this hour and this hour. I mean, that's what Target does. So, what are we really doing with all this isolation, containment, quarantine, whatever you want to call it? What is it really going to do? It's going to kill the coronavirus? I'm just like, they're saying that people don't know they have it. Then we can't be carrying it when they finally free up everything. My thoughts are let's just get it out there for everyone to have it. And oh, they don't have enough respirators. Well, do you think that's going to make a difference if they have 10 times more people? I'm just like, if people are going to get sick, they're going to get sick, right? I'm just saying, we were at the peak of the market. The world's economy was just flowing. Things were getting right with China again. And then all of a sudden we have coronavirus from China. It's the China coronavirus. Is it really? Don't think so. I still think it came from something from our food from the Midwest that we ship over there. Otherwise, how are we getting so much the coronavirus in the United States? And we didn't have that many people come back from China. I'm just saying, if we free up everything, everybody goes back to work, and then people get sick, and they have no sick days to use because they had to use it while they were on quarantine for the coronavirus. I mean, does this really make sense? Anyways, these are my thoughts. Maybe one day I'll find toilet paper. I'd certainly use less now. So maybe it'll last a little bit longer. But, there again, that's just another thing. The economy changing. Based on this virus, a lot of things are going to change in the world. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, subscribe, share. I'd like to hear your thoughts about some toilet paper.